Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today I welcome you all on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you a VPN application that will help you to secure your connection. This app will also help you to add an extra layer of security as you are using the internet. This app is on Google Play Store and this app is called HTTP Custom VPN. So head over to Google Play Store and search for this app. The app is called HTTP Custom VPN. So like you search for the app, and after you searching for the app, you pick this app among the presented HTTP Custom VPN. So this app is on Google Play Store, and this app, let's first understand what this app can do. This app HTTP Custom VPN can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security as you are using the internet. So this app will protect you when you are online. So make sure to install this app on Google Play Store and make sure that you are using the latest version so that your connection is secured. And after you installing this app, we are gonna set it up. So you open it, and as you open this app, on this channel we always share apps that helps you to get an extra layer of security, extra protection when you are online. And HTTP Custom is among the apps which will help you to get extra protection when you are using the internet. And when you reach in the app, it has connection methods, for example the SSL and slow DNS, UDP, V2RE. But for today's guide I'm gonna share with you the UDP custom settings. So when you reach in the app, you'll be required to have a working UDP account so that this app works. And I'm gonna show you how to combine HTTP Custom with a UDP account and how to set it up with a UDP account with HTTP Custom to get an extra layer of security and also to get a secure connection when you are using the internet. So in case you don't have a UDP account, to set up this app in order to get extra layer of security and secure your connection, first of all you are required to open the search engine, any search engine you have, such as Chrome. And when you reach on Chrome or any other search engine you have, make sure to search for VPN Jantish, just like that in the search bar. So you click on search, the site will load. So you visit this site VPN Jantish after it loads, and when you reach on this page you are required to tap on the menu button. Among the presented, you opt for free VPN option, and when you tap on the free VPN option, it will expand the menu, and among the expanded menu you look for free SSH tunnel. So you tap on free SSH tunnel option, and after picking that option you'll be taken to another page where you need to select the duration of your server. So from here you pick any desired, like we have 7 days and also we have 6 days and 5 days. So for today's guide I will pick the 7 days option so that we can get an account which will work for 7 days in order to secure your connection for a long period. and when you pick the duration, you'll be taken to another page where you need to create the username SSH tunnel. So make sure to tap on this option in order to create your account, and you'll be taken to this page. So you scroll down, and from this page you'll be required to enter the username and the password. So I will enter the username and the password. So let's fill in these details, and then we proceed to create our account. So first of all, I'll enter any username. So you enter any username, and also you enter any password which is strong, and other setting you also verify that you're not a robot, and after that you are free to click on create username SSH, and after that the page will start to load. So we wait for it to load, and after a few moments the website will process your account, and your account will be created, and also the website will tell you when your account will be active until. So after you creating the account details, make sure to copy the account details one by one. So you copy the username, the password, and all the required information, so that you set up HTTP custom in order to get a secure connection and extra protection as we are using the internet. So after you creating the account, the other thing you have to do is to go back to the HTTP custom app. So you head over back to HTTP custom app, and you open the app. So I'm gonna show you how to set it up. First of all, you are going to follow the format of setting the app in order to be accurate, and also to make sure that your settings are properly set, so that you can get a secure connection and extra protection when you are using this app. First of all, you will copy the IP address from the site and you put it here. So you go back on the site and you pick the IP address. So this is the IP address right here, so you copy it. So I'm sharing you the proper way on how to set up this app. So you open the app and then you paste here the IP address followed by that. And also the other thing is we have to bring the port. So from the IP we have to bring in the port. All this information is there on the website, and after you creating the account, all this information will be there for you in order to set up this app to get a secure connection and extra protection as you are using the internet. So from down here you will see the UDP custom port. So this port is working for UDP. So you copy the port and you open the app, the HTTP custom app, and then you put there the port, which is like this. So after you putting there the port, make sure you are accurate and you put this. Make sure to follow the app, like the app directions when you are setting the app, and the format is here. Make sure to follow the app format, and after that the other setting you have to bring in is the username right here. So also this information is shared on the website. You go back where we created our account, And this account, when we use it with HTTP custom, we shall get a secure connection, and also we shall get extra protection in case we set up this app in the right way. So you bring in the username we just created from the website. Also make sure to put in this as prompted, as seen in the app setting format right here. And lastly, the app is directing us from here to enter the password. So you go back on the website where you see where you see the password, you copy the password, you go back on the HTTP custom app, and you perfectly put there the password. Make sure to be accurate. And after that, after doing the settings, you'll be required, the next setting is to where you see the UDP custom, you will be required to tick. And after doing that, the last setting is you are required to click on the connect button, and you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And right now the app is connected. So right now the app is connected, and that's how we set up HTTP custom VPN with UDP settings and a UDP account in order to achieve a secure connection and extra protection as you are using the internet. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. Make sure to comment where you don't understand, and make sure to subscribe on this channel. And let's meet in the next video.